Hey everyone, it's Karen, and are you struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Maybe you're brand new to affiliate marketing, or you've been doing it for a while and you just not had success or not made any money. In this video, I'll be going over 5 reasons why people fail with affiliate marketing. Believe me, I did all these things, but when I learned what not to do, things really changed for me, and I've gone on to have $2,000 days, $7,500 days, and even $11,000 days. And I never thought someone like me, a shy girl from Iowa, could have sales like this, or that anyone would buy from me. Maybe you feel the same way too, but it's not your fault. You just have to learn how to do things the right way. But make sure you stick around to the end, because I want to share with you something that my 7-figure mentor shared with me that absolutely changed my life and my business, and I think it'll really help you too and help you to make a lot of money. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first reason why people fail with affiliate marketing is unrealistic expectations. You see a lot of screenshots of people making money in a short period of time, and the reality is most of these people have been around for a while and have built a following of people who know, like, and trust them. So when they make a recommendation, people buy from them. And when you see that, you think you're going to be able to make the same thing when really you're only just getting started. And that's all over the internet. Like this, make $25,000 per month doing nothing, really easy. It's just not true, and it gives you the expectation that you'll come online, do nothing basically, and make a lot of money. And generally, people are posting these screenshots, for example, make $10,000 in 30 days because they are wanting you to buy something from them, not really wanting to help you. We are wired for instant gratification. Just look at the microwave. When I was growing up, if you wanted to cook something, for example, a minute, you would push 100 start. Now microwaves just have one button to push for 1 minute because they need it to be faster. If you have the expectation going into it that it would take 3 to 5 years of focused effort to make 6 figures or multiple 6 figures a year, maybe you wouldn't quit when you hit a roadblock, am I right? And then you'd have a different expectation up front. The second reason why people fail with affiliate marketing is not being focused on mastering skills, just making money. And this will never result in long-term success. What I can tell you is that when I took the focus off of making money and actually helping people is when I began to have success. The biggest mindset shift for me was to focus on solving other people's problems and take the focus off myself. Oh, and by the way, if you're enjoying this content, give this video a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel. That way we can hang out and talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to become successful. And that's hard because we're only thinking about ourselves and how we can solve our own problems, right? Well, one of my mentors told me to stop worrying about making money and to focus on the process and to trust the process, meaning learn the skills. This did 2 things. It took the pressure off me, and it allowed me to focus on gaining the skills I needed to be successful. When you go to college, you're going to gain skills to eventually be able to get a job. So I got my master's degree in physical therapy, and I would not think I could get a job or get my license if I hadn't gone to school to learn the skills I needed. When you come online, it's like all that goes out the window, and people want to make money by doing nothing, by learning nothing. And it just doesn't work this way. You have to learn skills to become more valuable, and then you get paid based on your value in the marketplace. And these skills don't have to be difficult to learn, but you do have to master some skills in order to become successful and actually make money with affiliate marketing. The third reason why people fail with affiliate marketing is that they're not willing to invest in themselves. And this is a big problem I see. The thing is, you can start an affiliate marketing business for free, but the trade-off is you're going to be investing an insane amount of time to try to figure out everything on your own, and you're not going to have nearly the result you'll have if you actually invest up front in order to fund your business. Every single business has operating costs and ongoing expenses, and you're going to be in the negative for a while before you actually see a return. And that's not just for affiliate marketing, of course, but other businesses out there, like starting a franchise, opening a restaurant, Amazon FBA. The reality is, if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, or any business for that matter, you're going to have to make some sacrifices. When I first started, I didn't have money to invest in myself, but you can see what things you can cut out, give up, or sell, or just go out there and hustle to make money to start your affiliate marketing business. For example, there's a website called TaskRabbit where you can do a lot of different tasks, or you can drive Uber Eats and save up money. You just have to be resourceful and find the money to invest in a mentor who will get you to where you want to get faster. I know of someone from Indonesia who only had enough money to eat 1 meal a day, and she went out and learned some skills and saved up to start her affiliate marketing business and went on to make over $500,000. The fourth reason why I see people fail with affiliate marketing is they're not willing to do the work. Mel Robbins once said, "You're never, ever, ever going to feel like doing what you need to do to reach your goals." Our brains are trained to do only the things that are fun and not to do work. So we have to train ourselves to do what is required, even if we don't feel like it, and also develop the habit of doing what we need to do each day. I see a lot of people not have the work ethic it takes to make the kind of money they want to make. Most of the time, I don't feel like doing what I need to do, but you have to realize your brain is going to tell you to take it the easy way out, to go watch that game on TV and then do the work tomorrow. But I've learned to have a calendar and map out every hour of my day exactly what I'm going to do, and this has helped me to stay on track and do the work each day, even if I don't feel like it, which I said is almost never. It's just that you don't need to listen to your lazy brain, and you need to remember your goals. The fifth reason why affiliate marketers fail is they don't know how to focus on one thing at a time. The human brain now just has a few seconds attention span, so seeing all these things on the internet causes you to jump from one thing to another or try to do multiple things at one time. And I was guilty of this, and it wasn't until I got this advice and followed it from my mentor that I began having success. Have one mentor, one quality offer, and one marketing method. Cut out all distractions and focus on this for 6 to 12 months, and you will be in a totally different place. People underestimate where they can be in 6 to 12 months if they follow this formula. I unsubscribed from everyone except my mentor and stopped promoting multiple programs and just focused on one marketing method and began having success. Now you might be saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, but I say that's why it's important to build an email list from that marketing method. But once you master that marketing method, and only then should you add another marketing method. And that has been the formula of success for my mentor, who has earned multiple 7 figures, and also for myself. Now I wanted to share with you the advice that has been life-changing from my mentor that will help you as well if you really listen and apply what he's saying here. And this is what he said. If you want to build a business that makes it easy to sell so that you don't even have to try, then focus on building a tribe. I learned this concept from one of my original mentors. When you focus on helping people and leading the way, you will create a core group of people who will listen to your every word, look to you for advice, and yes, even buy your products. When I first started in this industry, I would go out there and invest, learn, do, teach. These are the steps I took. Number 1, figure out what people struggle with. Number 2, go learn these skills, invest in mentors and courses. Number 3, do them myself. This part is important. I would actually do what I learned so that I would gain real work experience. Number 4, teach people and show them case studies of how to do it. As you go along your journey, never undervalue your knowledge. Share and document your journey every step of the way. You only need to be one step ahead of the person you're teaching for them to value your knowledge. By following this simple process, I started building up my tribe and attracting people to me left, right, and center. Soon I had people who wanted to buy affiliate products, and people started requesting I coach them before I ever offered to coach. I use this simple process today. Some of my customers have gone on a journey with me to watch me from just a nobody to now growing my business at a very rapid pace. Some of them climbed to the top of the mountain with me by applying the same concepts I use. I went from having all my marketing look amateur-like to now making everything look like $1,000 went into the production. I went from barely being able to pay my bills to making the kind of money people think is not even possible to make in a year, in a month, and sometimes even in a single day. Take the focus off yourself and focus on people. I take the concept of building a tribe one step deeper, and I build a family. The people in my tribe are not customers, they're part of my family. The one thing to remind yourself is this: people attract to people they know, like, and can relate to. Focus all your efforts on helping these people, guiding these people, and treating them like family. I focus on creating a tribe of lifetime customers, not one-time customers. It's easier to sell something to a previous customer over getting a new customer. Stop looking at things like I got 100 leads on my email list, and instead look at it as if I got 100 people on my email list, and these people have real problems, concerns, fears, desires, and goals of their own. This is the exact formula I've been following for years, and my business keeps getting bigger and bigger by focusing on helping people solve a need, problem, or reach a goal they desire to achieve. When you take your focus off of you and instead place it in your tribe, you reach your goals much faster. The concept I'm following is nothing new, it's straight from the Bible. If you do good things for others and have a servant's heart, then good things will happen to you. The more I focus on helping others and the less I focus on myself and what I want, the more easily and frequently money flows into my life. Money is traded when you help others. So if you're currently stuck in your business, I can guarantee you're focusing more on yourself and less on how do I help at least one person today. Now start on creating your tribe and watch your life change dramatically. So I hope you go out there and use this advice and stick with it so you can have success with affiliate marketing. Let's continue learning with this next video, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, a step-by-step tutorial. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.